Namaste everyone, thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So in this one I'm going to show you how you can start with a Django project. So what you have to do, you have to open VS Code and then you have to access a folder in it. So for now what I have done is I have created a folder on my desktop, right, and it's with name Angular projects. So I'm selecting it. As you can see, the folder is here. It doesn't have any files in it. So now we have to access the terminal and simply we have to fire some commands which are there on the Angular website, so as to get started with the Angular app. Yeah, so here on this page you will find the commands you can start with. The first thing you have to do is you have to install Node on your device. Okay, so this is the website from where you can get the latest version of Node. I'm going to share the link of this website in the description section so you can get it from there. So once you're done with installing Node, which is this package that you have to install, so you have to come on VS Code and you can just type this command node-v, which will give you the version of Node which is there on your device. Okay, then you can write npm-v for checking the version of npm. So for me it is 8.19.2. Why? Because I'm using the latest version of Node. Okay, then once you're done with installing Node and once you get this npm on your device, you can use these commands which are for installing the Angular application. So simply copy this command for installing the Angular CLI, which is the starting point, you can say, and paste it here. So now this command is going to install the required Angular environment, you can say, on my device, which I'll be using for creating an Angular application. So it's going to take a bit of time. Let's create an application quickly. I'm going to create an application with, let's Angular dash intro. This is a command with which you can create a project. So here I have to do yes, and then we can so these are the four options you're going to come across. So because we are creating a very simple application for now, so let's go with the first one, which is CSS. You have to just hit the enter button and you will see this processing will start. Okay, so all the packages have been successfully installed. Let's quickly cd into this folder Angular intro, which has got automatically created, in which all the application files reside. So cd a and Angular intro, and then we have to simply run the command ng-serve for running the Angular application we have just created. Let's do y. Okay. So the browser application bundles are getting generated currently. We'll have to wait for some time till all the bundles gets generated. Okay, so the application is now accessible on localhost 4200. Let's check it out. Fine, so this is how you can set up a basic Angular application. This is it from my side in this video. I'll see you in the next one now. Thank you very much. Bye bye and take care everyone.